Hello! Merry Christmas!
Guys, natin na ning kamot diri.
Hello! Merry Christmas sa tanan! Uy, dili ma-happy lagi. Kanang exciting po. Merry Christmas! So this time na atay mga blessings nga nadawat karong tuiga. So ako i-share ninyong tanan ako mga blessings. So yes, ginagmay lang pero ang kani akong pagpanghatag dili ni siya ingon kay uy para ingno na si Miljin dato kay panghatag jud na siya dili na ana. Ang akong pagpanghatag akong kalipay. So mao na ganahan gyud ko manghatag sa mga tao dinhi. O diba? So anyway, magsugod na ta guys.
Itong edukwato mga ulo, itong pangayon ang presensya sa Ginoo. Sa ngalan samahan sa anak sa Diyos Espiritu Santo. Amen. Daghang salamat sa grasya nga imong gihatag kanamo.
Sugdan sa nato og games para malingaw sa pakadayot, o di ba? Sige, ang una nga games kay mubuak og itlog.
kamot diri.
Guys, si Binggol na ning kamot gid siya guys.
Sorry, Didi.
Nakadaog sa bandi kay si Mag-start sa letter C. Siana! Always sample sound of that. Congratulations! Bring me face mask. There you go. Bring me a Christmas hat. Bring me alcohol. Bring me kamuting kahoy. Bring me plato nga red. Congratulations! Makasal ko, baby ka din. Yay! Dara, congratulations! Five, four, trial. Ready? Go! 3, go! 1, 2, 1, 2, 3! Okay, very good, very good. Naguna ang lalaki. Magaling ng mga babae. Okay. Ayaw guniti ang balon. Ayaw guniti ang balon. Agad! Daog ang girls. Ay, napausa. Oh, 5 na lagi mo. Oh, very good. Okay, dahil sinis sila doon. Tara! Ay, daog ang girls. 3, 4, 5. Congratulations, Francisco family! Our second prize winner goes to will win 500,000 pesos. Ihorpe family! Yay! Congratulations! Grand prize is 1,000 million. 1,000 pesos. Okay, now I'm gonna give some for the consolation prizes. So kani atong bundles of joy, ginagmay ra ni siya pero gikan jud ni sa akong kasing-kasing mga silingan. Okay? So I hope ma-appreciate ninyo ning gamay nga akong blessings nga i-share ninyo. Okay, so magsugod ta ni Diam. Hello, Merry Christmas, Abel. Tilda! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Yeah, Mali. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Kim Kim! Christmas! Next is Adele! Merry Christmas! Next is Elfie! Christmas! You're welcome. Maayong Pasko, manalo ka na! Mahal ko siya. Merry Christmas, guys! Announcement sa mga bata, birthday ni Scarlett. So, ang mga bata, ari mo at 12 p.m. So, nasa exchange gift, mga bata, 20, mga makaon lang. Tapos, nami loot bags para sa mga bata. We have ice cream and some food. So, pwede ka sa tawali ang mga ginikanan kung ganahan mo dito. Alright guys, hello. It's already 6:30 p.m. and we finished the party here in the neighborhood at 5, I think. So yeah, the party took 2 hours and yeah, it was really fun, especially the games. The people are so cooperative. And I was just really grateful and happy that we were able to give them bundles of joy this Christmas. And I think I have been doing it for 6 consecutive years now. I'm really grateful that we were able to do this again for this year. I want to thank everyone who watches my videos. Without you, again, I wouldn't be able to share my blessings to everybody this year. All of my neighbors are always grateful with the littlest thing that I have shared to them. So it was really fun, guys. You saw how everyone was so excited and happy and just, you know, celebrating Christmas here in the front yard. Anyway, guys, I am pretty tired and today is actually December 24th. So we are gonna have our own Christmas, an intimate family Christmas with friends and family. So bro and my twin are coming over at Razzle as well. Bingle actually is taking a nap now. So we're going to be celebrating Christmas as well. I do have a few games for them. And then I will also be distributing my gifts for them. So if you guys know me, my love language is definitely giving gifts. So yeah, this is my way of appreciating and this is my way of loving my friends and fam. Anyway, this episode I'm gonna end it here, guys. This is going, or else this is gonna be a really long one. So I'm gonna make another video for our intimate family Christmas Eve. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, comment below, how did you guys celebrate your Christmas? And yeah, Merry Christmas, everyone. I hope you have a happy holidays. And as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.